Hi, this is Sandra Escamilla with your K&M Premier Real Estate Tip of the Day. If you're looking to do a little yard landscaping, you're in good company, and with good reason. Good landscaping can add up to 28% to the overall value of a home. But even for those blessed with the greenest of thumbs, landscaping offers plenty of potential for disaster. Do too little and the effect won't be noticeable. Too much and everything might die. And introduce wrong plant, say goodbye to your entire yard. Scary, right? Here are 4 big DIY landscaping pitfalls to avoid. Number 1, don't suffocate your newly planted trees with the dreaded mulch volcanoes. Mulch is designed to control the soil temperature and keep it moisturized, but to do so properly, it must be applied loosely. Tight packing strangles the tree and softens the root collar, a non-waterproof section of the tree trunk. The result, rot, invasive insects, and suffocated roots. Number 2, before you even put your hands in the dirt, carefully work out a design on graph paper to understand your space requirements. Measurements are key. For small areas of your yard, landscaping should include flowering perennials, but skip large shrubs. As a general rule, taller plants should go towards the back and smaller plants in the front. Once you know what size foliage can fit without overcrowding, research specific plants and sketch them into your design. And even if you can fit, don't plant too big. Large foliage might look impressive, but it has a hard time taking root. Small foliage grows nicely and has a better chance of survival. Number 3, using too much gravel. Gravel does save water, but it also reflects heat towards any plants nearby, damaging all but the hardiest plants. Any heat that gravel doesn't reflect, it absorbs, essentially baking the root of your plants. And that's to say nothing of future planting. Gravel can get mixed into the underlying soil, making it too hard to absorb rainwater. And it's almost impossible to add more foliage to hard, dry soil, meaning you'll be stuck with the plants you already have. And finally, number 4, building near trees. Thinking of adding an in-law suite, or perhaps you want to make your garage into a man cave, we're all for it. But if your yard features large trees, you'll need to protect them before embarking on a construction that might touch the roots. You might not see the dire effect of damaged roots for quite a while until a storm causes the rotting trunk to come crashing into your root. Or if you put your home on the market, that giant dying limb hanging over your daughter's bedroom could knock thousands of dollars on any offer. Hire a tree care specialist if you're planning any construction projects in your yard. Experts can ensure your work doesn't touch the delicate root system, which cause irreparable and expensive damage. And remember, I'm here to help. So for any real estate needs, please give me a call. Sandra Escamilla, 361-244-4389.